Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy homemade chocolate candy which is oil and sugar free but loaded with healthy fats in the form of peanuts. And yes, it's completely vegan. You can call this as a chocolate peanut candy which can be made as a last minute snack for Christmas or for a party, or just to munch on as a healthy snack, especially if you are a chocolate lover. The best thing about this homemade chocolate is that it takes just under 15 minutes to make. And the plus point is it's sugar free, oil free and butter free. Super healthy and tasty. I actually learned to make this at the baking class I went to many years ago, which I mentioned in my Kerala plum cake recipe. I think it was called as peanut rocks back then, but over the years my children started to call it as peanut chocolate candies and the name stuck. But feel free to call it peanut rocks or candies or just homemade chocolates. And guys, this may be one of the easiest chocolate recipes I have ever shared on my channel. It takes just under 10 to 15 minutes to get everything done. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I'm lining my baking tray with butter paper and I'm adding in 2 cups of raw peanuts. I'm lightly spreading the peanuts so that it forms into one layer. Now toast them in a preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. While it is getting toasted, roughly chop 200 grams of dark chocolate. Now try to use good quality dark chocolate. Any dark chocolate which has 60 to 70% cacao is ideal for this recipe. Now transfer the chopped dark chocolate into a bowl. Meanwhile, you need to check the peanuts after about say 5 to 7 minutes or so. As you can see, the peanuts are almost ready. Some has even started to split. And you can just shake the pan so that they are evenly toasted. Note that oven temperature varies with oven, so do keep an eye on the peanuts. After about 7 minutes they will start to get toasted pretty fast and may even get burnt, so keep an eye on the peanuts. My oven took exactly 10 minutes to get them toasted. Once toasted, quickly add the sizzling hot peanuts into the bowl with the chocolate. Mix it with a spoon and then add in a big fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt and quickly mix the peanuts. Now because the peanuts are really hot, it will help melt the dark chocolate. So once the peanuts are fully coated in the chocolate, quickly spoon them onto a butter paper. These are bite-sized candies, so 1 tablespoon is enough. Now a word about the skin on the peanuts. Removing the skin is a personal preference. Of late, I prefer to keep the skin on, as a new study states that peanut skin has abundant amount of natural antioxidants and a high content of dietary fiber. So to preserve the nutrition, I am keeping on the skin. However, if you prefer, you can use skinless peanuts in this recipe. Now allow this to cool down completely. If you want to get it set really quickly, you can pop them in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are completely set. And once they are done, you can serve them immediately. They don't even stick to the butter paper. Okay, let me just slice one into half and show you how they look. Transfer them to an airtight glass container and they will keep good for about 1 to 2 weeks at room temperature or longer in the fridge. So guys, do try this quick, easy, instant and healthy peanut chocolate candies this Christmas and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends, and wish you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.